Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss of chapter 8 state syllabus 10th class similar triangles, page number 203 examples. That is the sums based on BPT, Basic Proportionality Theorem. In a triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC and AD by DB is given as 3 by 5 and AC equal to 5.6 centimeters. Find AE. So draw a rough figure based on the given dimensions. Draw a triangle ABC where and D is parallel to BC, that is given. AD by DB is dividing in the ratio of 3:5 and we need to find the unknown value here AE, that is X guys. So first write down what is given in the question. Given that in a triangle D is parallel to BC, that is given in the question. So as per the Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem, if a line is parallel to the one side, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. Okay. So what we get, AD by DB equal to AE by EC, right? So AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay. So mention the given dimensions here. AD by DB equal to 3 by 5 and AC is given as 5.6. Here we need to find the unknown value of AE guys. So as per the Thales theorem, so how can we find AE value? Based on AE by EC. Okay, based on that we can able to find the value of AE guys. So mention that AE by EC equal to 3 by 5. Why I mentioned 3 by 5? Because in the given question they gave ED by DB equal to 3 by 5. Since it is a parallel to, since D is parallel to BC, therefore what I said, if a line is parallel to other side, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So whatever the value they gave for AD and DB, then that value will be equal for the other side also, AE and also EC. That only I mentioned here. Okay. Therefore AE by EC can be written as AC minus AE guys. AC minus AE. Okay. That equal to 3 by 5. So substitute all the values. AE we don't know. AC value we know. 5.6 minus AE equal to 3 by 5. Do the cross multiplication. So AE by 5.6 minus AE equal to 3 by 5 guys. So do cross multiplication. We get 5 into AE equal to 3 into 5.6 minus AE. So simplify. 5 AE equal to, we get 16.8 minus 3 AE. Making AE as subject, find the value of AE. We get 16.8 by 8, that equal 2.1. Therefore the length of AE equal 2.1 guys. Therefore the length of AE is 2.1 as per the BPT theorem. I hope you understand this sum. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. For any doubt you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you for watching.